Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to display text using PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here the beginning of HTML tag, less than question mark PHP. To display a text, I declare a variable here, $title equals double quotation PHP programming for the web. We have here echo horizontal line. Print center $title to display horizontal line, and then write question mark greater than to close the bracket. Okay, so if you are beginner in PHP, it is very important guys that you know how to use variables and to display a text. Let us go with our browser, but make sure that the XAMPP is running, or else it will create an error. Let's go to XAMPP. So we have here the output PHP programming for the web. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.